Welcome to our French dining room interior design tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to transform your dining room into an elegant and inviting space using a carefully curated selection of components. Before we start decorating, it's essential to plan the layout. Consider the size and placement of each component to ensure a harmonious design. Begin with the heart of your dining room, the dining table and dining chairs. Choose a table that fits your space and style. Place the chairs evenly around it, leaving enough room for comfortable seating. Next, create an enchanting ambience with the chandelier hanging above the dining table. Add wall sconces to provide soft, ambient light around the room. For storage and display, position the sideboard and china cabinet strategically. Use the wine rack for your favorite bottles. Add elegance with accessories like the candelabra on the dining table and a console table with a decorative wall mirror. Enhance the walls with wainscoting, crown molding, and a ceiling medallion for a touch of sophistication. Select artwork that complements your dining room's color scheme and style. Hang them strategically to create focal points. Soften the space with textiles. Use a stylish tablecloth and comfortable chair cushions. Curtains or drapes with tiebacks add a touch of luxury. Finally, step back and admire your beautifully decorated French dining room. Every component has its place, creating a space that's both functional and stunning. Thank you for joining us in this journey to transform your dining room. With careful planning and the right components, you can create a French dining room that's truly captivating. Happy decorating!